Hello students, in this video we are going to study about GUI and CUI interfaces. So, what is user interface? User interface is a set of commands and menus through which user can communicate with the program, software, website, etc. It determines how commands are given to the computer or the program and how information is displayed on the screen. It can include display screens, keyboards, a mouse, and the appearance of a desktop. User interface is also referred as human-computer interaction because with the help of user interface, human can easily interact with the computer. There are two types of user interfaces, GUI and CUI. You can see the differences between them. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. It allows the user to interact with the computer system or any program through images, graphics and icons. Most of the modern computer use the GUI for communication. Like you can see the GUI interfaces in your phones, in your tablets, in your laptop, etc. In CUI, it stands for Character User Interface. It is also known as command line interface. In this interface, the interaction is done by typing the command. For each and every action, we have to give the instruction using characters. That's why it is also called text-based interface. GUI requires more memory because it contains lots of graphical components like menu bars, icons, images, shortcut icons, toolbars. But in CUI, there are no graphical components present. That's why it does not require more memory. GUI is customizable because we can change the wallpaper of our desktop, we can change the settings, we can change the theme. But in GUI, it's not possible to change the appearance or settings of our computer system. So, in short, GUI is more friendly as compared to the CUI. GUI is very easy to use and learn. It allows the user to just click and select the option to perform any task. In CUI, it is less friendly because it is difficult to learn and operate all these commands because user should memorize all these commands to operate the system. So, you can see here, there is an image. It is an image of Windows and Windows is GUI based. That's why there are many icons and commands are present in the graphical form. You can see it is icon of Internet Explorer, Google Map, MS Excel, PowerPoint, Store. You can see on the left side there are many tools like calculator, calendar, camera, and there are shortcut icons of games. So you can just click on it and it will open that program. But in DOS window, it is a DOS window. There is no icon and graphical components are present, menu bars are present. That's why we have to type manually all these commands. Like this, you can see here dir. So it is a DOS command. It is used to display all the files and folders present in a directory. Now here are some MS-DOS commands and description is also given here. All these commands are meant for a specific purpose. Like dir command is used to display all the files and folders. Folder is considered as directory in the MS-DOS window. cd/ move to the root directory, cd ... move to the level up or one folder in the file system. md is used to create a new folder. cd used to change the directory or folder. rd and rmdir is used to remove or delete the directory. If you want to copy the file, you can just type copy and the file or folder name. If you want to delete, then you can type del. ren is used to rename. cls is used to clear or delete the written commands on the window. Date, it is used to display or set the date. Exit command is used to quit or close the MS-DOS windows. But in GUI, you have to just click or right click, or you can use keyboard to do all these tasks.